I don't know where I'm going now. We'll see. Wow, yeah. Big Buddha. Is that Buddha? I don't think so. Big statue. Phew. We got our incense. It smells very, very strong. God damn. Go 420. Dude, bro, I'm so high, bro. Dude, like Buddha, bro. Holy. I think we can go up here. Wild monkeys, what the fuck? Caution, wild monkeys, oh fuck. Oh shit. Never get picture of them. Never feed them, oh fuck. Oh shit. Years of birth. No. Enhance image, enhance. It says cock. What's out here? Oh fuck, that felt like it was gonna break. I felt like I was gonna fall through the floor. Holy shit. I'm scared it's gonna fall over and burn the whole place down. Grab this one instead. That one's kind of loose, okay. That one was too loose, it wouldn't hold. The candle would fall over and like burn the whole building down. Steep steps. Big stone. I'm in a jungle. I'm playing Metal Gear Solid 3. Monkey Eater. Oh, these are feet. I can see what that is now. Big stones of like footprints. Buddha's feet. Those are big feet. God damn. Size 100. This is like Skyrim. Psh, activate stone. Now, one-handed attacks do 15% more damage. Ah, we were inside the Buddha. That's where we were. We were inside him. I just realized. That's where that like room was. It was inside him. Oh damn. That's cool. Last look at Buddha before I go pee. Thanks, bro. Wish me a good pee. If you walk around the hall 3 times, your wish will be granted, and any misfortunes will go away. In Tokuin Temple. Oh, there's a museum this way as well, okay. Toilet coins. Oh, you have to... Wow, this is the first time I've seen a paid toilet. Wow. Oh, it's women's toilet. Okay, don't look in there. Amex card. Oh, it's like American Express card area. Yeah, it is. I wanna look. This is a lounge just for American Express card holders. What the fuck is this? It's just for American Express card holders. Temple and museum. Oh, it says don't take photos, but I'm technically not taking a photo, I'm filming. This is it. This is the museum. This is so small. tiger with bamboos. It's a tiger apparently. Damn, this is cool. Dragon Ball Z, large dragon. Damn, that's pretty sick painting. And here we have the one slightly cool thing in the museum. Well, it's me and the boys. Hey guys, let's go for a beer. That's pretty cool. That's the waterfall. Oh damn. Going backwards? Oh shit. Okay. Goodbye.